Hi family, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all and exposing the secret to my moisturized and clean scalp and how I've been able to deal with dandruff using a very wonderful secret I found out in Africa, mainly from Chad. If you want to know, do well to watch to the end of the video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how you can use a natural hair shampoo, also a detangler and a conditioner on your hair. And today is going to be a mixture of the Cardian recipe, a Cardian herb called Ambunu, and then a mixture of the Indian herb, which includes Reetha and Shikakai. I bet you these three herbs will change your hair. It will cleanse your hair and help you retain length and grow a healthy hair. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, because in my channel I teach you how to use different herbs, Ayurvedic herbs, African herbs, Chinese herbs, in order to grow a healthy hair. So subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without further preambles, let's get started. So I'll be making use of Ambunu. These herbs contain saponin. It is known as Ambunu in Chad, and also it is known as Karkashi in the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, you can actually source it in Nigeria, and it's called False Sesame in English. Ambunu contains saponin that helps in cleansing the hair and the scalp. It can also serve as a mild cleanser or a co-wash. So right now I want to show you how I prepare the Indian part of this recipe. Here I'll be preparing the Reetha and then the Shikakai. Very good because it suits your scalp. Remember, a healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Shikakai fights dandruff, nourishes your hair follicles, cleans your hair and also adds shine. Not only that, Shikakai prevents grays. Yeah, if you are trying to get off your grays, then go for Shikakai. And it also curbs hair loss. What about Reetha? Reetha is also known as soapnut. Reetha gives a gentler effect to your hair. The Reetha liquid makes your hair shinier and softer. It is antibacterial and it's also antifungal in nature. It keeps your scalp free from dandruff and prevents hair loss. So you can see both, they are very good powerful herbs when it comes to cleansing of your hair and your scalp. So I mixed both herbs together and then I added warm water to both herbs and I mixed it very well and left it overnight. I did it in the liquid form, liquidy, so that I'll be able to use it to mix my ambunu. Then after I left it overnight, this is the next morning. You can see the color change, and then I heat it a little using my double boiling method, and then I'm mixing it now into the bowl of ambunu. So I'm mixing everything together like so. You can see that. Oh my goodness, this is not a wedu. This is this is a mixture of ambunu and then Reetha and Shikakai. You can see that. Just they go do. This is not okra. Don't go and eat it like soup. Wow. So that is it. You can see some balls like foamy balls forming. So I'm going to cover it now and leave it for 20 minutes before use. You can also drain your ambunu if you want to, but I don't want to drain mine. I did it in a masky form so that that's how I feel like using it. So it's application time. So I'm applying it on my tip and also on my scalp as well. I'll apply it and massage it on my scalp thoroughly. You can see that sleep. Oh my goodness. This Ambunu is everything. So that's how it is on my hair. So just take a look. Go to that. Just take a look at that. Just take a look at that. So Ambunu is it's so good for people who doesn't like shampooing their hair, who likes using natural things that are natural. So I would suggest or advise you go for Ambunu, Reetha, and then Shikakai. This is actually my fifth time trying out Ambunu. Well, I don't like using it alone, so I like to mix it together. With the first time I used it alone, I like the effect, but I think mixing it with Shikakai and Reetha actually gives it that extra boost. So mixing it together is so fine. So next I try to, yeah, I'm spraying my hair before adding it. You can see that sleep. Ambunu also helps define your curls. And there's another thing you need to note. Ambunu we actually can actually stretch your curls, elongate them. You know, herbs normally, Ayurvedic herbs usually elongate your curls with time. So that's just it. But it's just that it's pure, it's natural, and then you are free from any sulfate effect. I'm not saying sulfate shampoos are bad. No, they are not bad. You actually need them for clarification. So you can substitute Ambunu, Reetha, and Shikakai for your shampoo. So these are all the shed hairs I got, unlike before. Oh my god. These are all the shed hairs. Very, very little, or even just imagine, little unknown. So I'm going to cover now with my shower cap. So I was like wondering, thinking, what do I do? So I still said, okay, this is another way you can do it. You can also use a heat cap if you want to, and then you can also use a steamer. So I actually used all three and allow it to sit on my hair for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So you can decide to use any one that you like. So if you have tried Ambunu, please let me know in the comment section, and if you will actually be trying it out, please let me know. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, let me know if you have tried Reetha or Shikakai. Let me know in the comment section as well. Would you be trying Ambunu anytime soon? So let's discuss that in the comment section. So thank you all so much for watching. This is my hair after rinsing out the Ambunu, but I actually still went back to rinse it off again. So my hair was feeling so soft and my scalp so neat and clean. So thank you all so much, sisters, for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye.